Welcome to the fascinating realm of real estate investing, where we're shining a spotlight on the art of underwriting in real estate. Underwriting is all about assessing potential risks and rewards of a real estate investment. It requires a deep dive into financial data, market trends, and the nitty-gritty details of the property in question. The first stage in this process involves collecting all relevant information. Knowledge, as they say, is power. Understanding the property's specifics such as its location, size, type, and condition is crucial. Equally important is getting a handle on the financial aspects including rental income, operating expenses, and the terms of financing. The second stage calls for a thorough market analysis. It's all about looking at the bigger picture, from employment rates and population growth to local economic trends. As an example, the trend of remote work in 2024 has led to an increased demand for residential properties in suburban areas. Next, we delve into the world of numbers with a cash flow analysis. By subtracting operating expenses from rental income, the net operating income, or NOI, is determined. For instance, if a property pulls in $50,000 in rental income and has operating expenses of $20,000, the NOI would be $30,000. Financing is the fourth stage of the underwriting process. In a year like 2024, where interest rates have had their ups and downs, it's crucial to secure a favorable rate. Elements like the loan-to-value ratio, interest rate, and loan term need to be factored in when evaluating financing options. The final stage involves calculating the return on investment, or ROI. This is done by dividing the annual NOI by the total cost of investment. For example, with an NOI of $30,000 and a total investment of $300,000, the ROI would be 10%. To bring it all together, imagine underwriting a real estate deal for a small apartment building in Austin, Texas, a city that's seen significant growth in 2024. The property consists of 10 units, each pulling in $1,500 in rent per month, resulting in a total annual rental income of $180,000. After accounting for annual operating expenses of $60,000, the NOI comes to $120,000. Assuming a loan finances 75% of the property's purchase price at an interest rate of 4.5% over a 30-year term, the annual mortgage payments would be around $45,000. After subtracting the mortgage payments from the NOI, the annual cash flow comes to $75,000. If the property's purchase price is $1 million and a down payment of 25% is made, the initial investment would be $250,000. By dividing the annual cash flow by the initial investment, the ROI comes to 30%. In conclusion, this Austin property example demonstrates a strong ROI of 30%. However, remember that each deal is unique, and it's essential to do a thorough analysis and seek professional advice whenever necessary. This is the art and science of real estate underwriting. Thank you for sticking with us throughout this detailed journey into the world of real estate underwriting. We hope that the Austin property example provided a clear understanding of how to calculate the ROI and the importance of a thorough analysis. We are here to help, and we would love to hear from you. If you have any questions or doubts, please drop them in the comments section below. We'll do our best to respond and clarify any confusion. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And remember, sharing is caring. So feel free to share this video with friends or colleagues who might find it beneficial. Lastly, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss out on our upcoming videos. We have plenty more insightful and educational content lined up for you. Thank you once again for joining us today on this real estate underwriting journey. Until next time, happy investing.